Hi everyone, this is Brad. Today we're taking a look at using Google Sheets and giving users options to choose from. So for example, you can choose their favorite team, and we even change the color, so I'll show you how to do that. So how can we do all this? Have this set up where it's the same thing, I have the people over here and then favorite team, but I don't have the teams in here. So how can we do that? I have all the options here, all the NFL teams in alphabetical order. And what I'll do, so I'm just going to come right back in here. I'm going to select this right in here. I'm going to do this column. Now, there's always a number of ways to do things. I'm just going to right click. Going to scroll down to see this where it says view more cell actions. We're going to go to data validation. Again, there's always a number of ways to do things. That's just the way I did it. We're going to select add rule. And instead of a drop down, we're going to go ahead drop down from a range. Then we're going to select right here. So you can see this right in here. These are coming up, which is nice to see. We're going to select the data range. Now the data range, this is the NFL team. So we're just going to select, it's going to go A1 all the way through A32. Select OK. We'll go back to that sheet. And now when people go in, they can go ahead and choose what they like. So what you're going to notice, though, is over in here, this is how I was able to change the colors. So you can just select right here and make that red. So it'll end up looking like this. People can go through and fill what they want. One thing to point out, if they do, let's just say in here, if they do start typing, you can see it's going to come up just like that. So there you go. Pretty easy. And hope you enjoy. If you have any questions, please reach out. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.